how to change wallpaper in Android mobile. So hello guys, in this tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that you simply go to settings. So here I'll go to settings. Here you guys will search for wallpaper. So I'll simply search for wallpaper. Once I search for wallpaper, here you guys will see wallpaper, styles wallpaper. So simply click on wallpaper style. Once we click here you guys will see the first one, wallpaper. So simply click on that. Now here you guys can see Leo album workshop. When we click on album, you guys can select custom wallpaper, for example, what picks on my gallery. And when you select the Leo wallpaper, it can be in your phone wallpaper. For example, I want to select that wallpaper, the first one. I'll click on that. Here you guys can see apply. So I simply click on apply. Now here you guys can see home screen, home live screen. So it's upon you which one you want to select. So once you click on, for example, home live screens, that's it, or that wallpaper will be applied to your phone. Like, that's how easy you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.